just heard how important high quality data are for a successful drug discovery project. The high quality data requires a reliable informatics platform. So what was the decision-making process for choosing the informatics platform at your companies? Who wants to take this one first? Woody?
Sure, I can start. You know, I had worked with CDD in the past. You know, at Schrodinger, we worked with a lot of small companies that had CDD, so we had to do a lot of integration there as well. So the fact that it was, you know, not something entirely new, that it was tested, that there were people and testimonials and all of that was important. Having an API was important as well. You know, not just being able to upload through a standard graphical interface, but something that programmers can work with, allows us to integrate it much more tightly. There's no one program that can do everything, and so that ability to get into the guts of a program and extract the data that you need, or push in the data that you need, and customize it to your needs was really important for us. You know, we evaluated a few different tools, and CDD kind of hit the key points. The deficiencies weren't deal breakers. You know, the people, you all have been easy to work with. You know, you're highly responsive. That's another big plus is just the support team. You know, Barry's obviously a great guy, has built a great organization, and always has that big smile, so that helped a bit as well.
Jonah.
Yeah, a pretty similar process to what Woody said. I'll say, you know, one unique need that I think we had at Reverie was we needed a system where we could both, you know, easily access the data and serve model predictions, and then sort of upload those model predictions as you know, sort of first-class data into the CDD Vault that we use for our projects. And so, you know, having something with a really clean API where we could hook up the models and easily, you know, generate predictions and update models was a key criteria for us.
Mm-hmm. So in both your companies, collaboration between chemists, biologists, and computational scientists is crucial for success. Sometimes project teams also include external collaborators. So Jonah, what is the value of a collaborative system that all team members can use together? Do you think that an electronic lab notebook is critical to this collaborative work?
Yeah, I mean, I think the main value is just, instead of having to constantly be sending Excel files back and forth, and you know, using a data room or something like that, you know, you have a single unified system where the CRO users can log into your account and upload data, and you know, on our end, you know, see exactly what they want them to see. So you know, it just saves your team members a lot of time. Yeah, I think the electronic lab notebooks are certainly helpful. You know, certainly for when it comes to filing IP, it's a really nice thing to have. You know, I wouldn't say that that's sort of the key to the CRO collaboration, but yeah, it's certainly a nice to have.
Okay, Woody.
Yeah, I'd say, you know, getting all the data in one place with a unified view, or at least unified views is super important. And you know, we you know, internally everybody has access to CDD, so everybody's, you know, constantly looking at it. But we, again, through you know, the API, we can extract data, and we built our own web interfaces that are geared toward very specific projects, project dashboards, and specific properties and specific aspects of problems. And so we've basically built out a kind of an ecosystem around CDD, and it's central to have this central repository. And it also helps with just upload from CROs as well, even though they're not looking at our data, just making it easy for people to upload things externally. It just takes out a few steps of human intervention. You know, collaboration is ultimately what's going to, you know, lead to success or failure for all of this. Drug discovery is just way too complicated to have people in silos and have people not get access to all the data. So I think that we all can appreciate now that you know, collaborative tools are central, but how they're implemented and how they're used, you know, I think will be highly variable. And having a flexible tool, again, with a good well-documented API, allows people to add that layer of customization and flexibility needed for their companies.